Behind the design, full-length cover. This client needed a custom orthotic to replace a removable insole from a pair of Asics Keanu sports shoes. The orthotic was to be constructed from a shank-independent material. The aim of this orthotic was to fit the patient's choice of footwear and match the removable insole dimensions. They used the DOLA Custom Orthotic service. They selected full length in the top cover section of the finishing section of the DOLA detailed prescription form. A full-length cover goes beyond the length of the foot to the full length and shape of the footwear. In a 3/4 length shell, it will extend past the anterior edge to the full length and shape of the shoe. In a full-length EVA orthotic, it follows the length and shape of the orthotic to match the shoe. It is recommended for shoes with a removable insole. It will protect the entire plantar surface of the foot from heel to toes. It will also protect all modifications, including heel, midfoot, and forefoot modifications, including domes, met bars, and forefoot extensions. It will replace all of the shoe insole space. Orthotip. Orthotic length or orthotic cover length is a key prescription variable. Successful choice will allow the patient to wear the device in their favourite footwear, increasing the likelihood of patient compliance. A full-length cover has the benefits of protecting the entire foot and allows forefoot additions including met domes, met bars, EVA and Poron forefoot extensions, forefoot varus extensions, forefoot valgus extensions, reverse mortons extensions, long mortons extensions, and toe fillers to be protected.